FGN Savings Bond for April 2025 is out, and the 2-year tenor is coming at the rate of 16.046%, while the 3-year tenor is coming at the rate of 17.046%. It came out today, 7th of April, Monday, and it's going to close by Friday, 11th of April 2025. For you to take advantage of it, you need to make sure that all actions are taken on or before the close of business on Thursday, which is the 10th of April 2025. So what is the interest payment? It's quarterly, it's paid quarterly. So which means the interest is going to be divided into 4, and eventually it will be paid every 3 months. Then the redemption of your money, maybe you are investing 1 million naira, for instance, it will be redeemed at the end of the tenure. If you are going for the 2-year offer, at the end of the 2 years, you are going to have your money back. And many people have asked, this issue of 16.046%, is it for the 2 years or is it per annum? It is per annum. It is for 1 year. So which means you collect 16% this year, then the following year you receive another 16.04%. Another common question is, which platform can I use? You can use platforms like Stanbic IBTC, FBN Quest, AfriInvestor 2.0. You can use Invest Nigeria by Chapel Hill Dehan. But one that I want to talk about today is you using Atlas Portfolio. Atlas Portfolio is one of the old asset management firms that we have in Nigeria. So what do you do? If you are watching from YouTube, I will drop a link in the description below where you can download the form, the FGN Savings Bond form. You fill it, then you send it back to this email, info@atlasportfolios.com. info@atlasportfolios.com. Then this particular number that you can see on your screen now, you can call them or chat them up on WhatsApp and tell them that you have filled the form, and they will give you the account number to make payments, and your accounts will be credited. The investment will be done on your behalf. So, and if you are watching on other platforms, you can go to my YouTube channel, Korede Alayake, search for it. It will be the latest video there. Go to the description, you will see this form there. Just download it, then email it back to info@atlasportfolios.com and chat the number just like I said. How safe is FGN Savings Bond? Is one of the safest form of investment, because you are lending your money to the government, and in return the government is paying you back. So that is how safe FGN Savings Bond is. For anything to happen to FGN Savings Bond, it means the economy of Nigeria is already in chaos, and we don't pray that anything of such will happen. So it is safe. So for those who are risk averse, you can go for FGN Savings Bond. If you have idle funds, you can go for FGN Savings Bond. If you don't have any alternative form of investment, you can go for FGN Savings Bond. If you are a short-term investor, you want to invest for 2 or 3 years, you can go for FGN Savings Bond. If you have any thoughts, comments, or opinion, kindly drop it in the comment section below. For finance, investment, and business content, kindly follow for more. Till we meet in our next video, stay blessed.